Good morning, students. Today we will start with the congruency, that is the next part of congruent triangle. Before that, we have two theorems. Theorem 1. Theorem 1 is prove that angles prove that equal sides of isosceles triangle, opposite sides of prove that angles opposite to equal sides are also given is triangle ABC prove that equal sides and AB is equal to AC. This is given. To prove the angle opposite to AB is angle C and angle B. They are equal. Construction is draw AD perpendicular bisector of angle A. Proof. Triangle ABD and triangle AC, angle 1 is equal to angle 2, that is construction. AB is equal to AC, that is given. AD is equal to AD, that is common. Therefore, triangle ABD is congruent to triangle AC. Therefore, by SAS, triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ACD. When the triangles are congruent, therefore angle C is equal to angle B. CP congruent corresponding parts of congruent triangle or congruent part of corresponding. Theorem 2, that is converse of this. What will be the converse? To prove sides opposite to equal angles are also given. Triangle ABC and angle B is equal to angle C. Construction. Draw AD perpendicular on BC. Proof. Triangle ABD and triangle ACD. ABD, angle B is equal to angle C given. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2, 90, and AD is equal to AD, that is common. By AAS, triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ACD, therefore AB is equal to AC, CP. These are the two theorems which we have to remember. Now we'll do few examples of this. Example 1. Example 1 is triangle ABC. AD is bisector of angle A. This is bisector of angle A as well as perpendicular. Given triangle ABC, where angle 1 is equal to angle 2 and angle 3 is equal to angle 4 is equal to 90. This is given. Now you have to prove that triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. That is, you have to prove either AB is equal to AC or you have to prove angle B is equal to angle C. Proof: triangle ABC, triangle ABD and triangle ACD. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2 given. Angle 3 is equal to angle 4 given. And AD is equal to AD. By SAS, triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ACD. Therefore, AB is equal to AC, CB, CD. Example 2. Example 2 is E and F are the midpoints of the equal side of AB and AC. Triangle ABC. Given is AB is equal to AC and E and F are midpoints. E and F are midpoints of AB and AC. To prove that BE is equal to CF. Proof: AB is equal to AC and E and F are midpoints. Therefore, AF is equal to BF is equal to AE is equal to EC, because half of AB is equal to half of AC. Now triangle ABE and triangle ACF. In this triangle, AB is equal to AC given. This is one triangle and this is another triangle. So AE is equal to AF, that is also given. So this angle A is equal to angle A is common. Therefore, triangle ABE is congruent to triangle ACF by SAS. Therefore, BE is equal to CF. Hence, and the last example in this is example 3 is A in isosceles triangle ABC. So ABC in isosceles triangle, where given is AB is equal to AC and DE are the points such that BE is equal to CD. Prove that AD is equal to AE. Now we'll take proof. We'll take triangle ABE and triangle ADC. As we know that AB is equal to AC, therefore angle B is equal to angle C. Now, AB is equal to AC, given. Angle B is equal to angle E, right? And PE is equal to CD. Therefore, triangle ABE is congruent to triangle ADC. When it is congruent, therefore AE is equal to AD, CP. This is by SAS. This is all for today. In case you have any problem, you can call me 9988506200 or 9417013362. Hope you are able to understand and you will do the exercise based upon this. And next video we will get also more sums related to this. Thank you.